Varun Kumar, and now we are going to discuss how to previewing a document in MS Word. Introduction. In this chapter, we will discuss the preview of document in Word 2010. When you are ready for printing your Word document, it is always recommended to preview the document before you send the document for final printing. During preview of the document, you might discover that the set margin is not appropriate or many items may not look good after printing, so better to fix them after having a preview of the document. You can also have the option to specify which page to print, select a printer, specify the paper size on which you want to print, and set the other printing options. Preview document. The following step will help you preview your Microsoft Word document. Step 1. Open the document, the preview of which you want to see. For previewing a document, first we have to open the document in our system. Step 2. Click the File tab following by the Print option. This will display a preview of the document in the right column. You can scroll up or down your document to walk through the document using the given scroll bar. In the next chapter, we will have learned how to print the previewed document and how to set different printing options. As you can see, when we click on the File tab, we are able to see the lots of options in which there is a print button also, print option. And in this, there is a option of printing option, document preview, printer properties. Step 3. Once you are done with your preview, you can click the home tab to go to the actual content of the document. After previewing a document, we can print a document in Word. The following steps will help you print your Microsoft Word document. Step 1. Open the document for which you want to see the preview. Next, click the File tab followed by the Print option, which will display a preview of the document in the right column. You can scroll up or scroll down your document to walk through the document using given scroll bar. The middle column gives various options to be set before you send your documents to the printer. As you can see this page, when we click on the print, there is a print option, print properties, document preview, printing option, file tab, and by all these things we are able to see all the properties when we are going to print. There is a scroll bar in the right side also, and we can scroll the or move the scroll up or down to see the document which we are going to print. Step 2. You can set various other printing options available. Select from among the following options depending on your preference. We have to select any one of the customized option that we will use for any particular document, and for that we have to select print custom range, A4 size, portrait orientation, normal margin, one page per sheet, and various options we can select from this page. As you can see, we can change the copies, set the number of copies to be printed. By default, you will have one copy of the document. Next is printing custom range. This option will be used to print a particular page of the document. Type the number in page option. You want to print all the page from 7 till 10. Then you would have to specify this option as 7-10 and the word will print only 7, 8, 9, 10 page. Print one-sided. By default, one print one side of the page. There is one more option where you will turn up your page manually in case you want to print your page on both sides of the page. Collated. By default, multiple copies of will print collated. If you are printing multiple copies and you want to copy uncollated, select the uncollated option. Orientation. By default, page orientation is set to portrait. If you are printing your document in landscape mode, then select the landscape mode. Next is A4. By default, the page size is A4, but you can select other page size available in the drop down list. Next is custom margin. Select the custom margin drop down list to choose the document margin you want to use. For instance, if you want to print fewer page, you can create a narrow margin. To print with more white page, create wide margin. One page per sheet. By default, the number of pages per sheet is 1, but you can print multiple pages on a single sheet. Select any option you like from the given drop-down list by clicking over one page per sheet option. Step 3. Once you are done with your setting, click on the print button, which will send your document to the printer for final printing. And thus we are able to print our document.